Flattened rice or poha, an easily available ingredient, makes a wonderful and nutritious breakfast. Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking, and today I bring to you the recipe of making aloo poha or potato poha. To make aloo poha, we are going to use the thick variety of poha, and here I have used about 200 grams of poha. The next important ingredient in making poha is onion. This is about 2 medium size or 200 grams of onions, a lemon, some curry leaves, about 2-3 green chillies, and then coriander, a potato that has been sliced, then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of chilli powder, some sugar and salt to taste. So to start with, we are going to first wash the poha with water, and we are going to let it stand for about 10 to 15 minutes till we finish the frying of onions and potatoes. So once you wash it, leave it in the colander to drain off the excess water. Meanwhile, in a kadhai, I've heated about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and added the curry leaves and green chilies, and once they splutter, we're going to add the onions and fry them till they are nice and soft. Once the onions are fried for a minute, they will be nice and soft, and once the onions turn soft, we will add the potatoes and some salt and cook it with a lid on till the potatoes are well cooked. So here I'm adding a little bit of salt, maybe just half a teaspoon, to flavor the potatoes. Keep a lid on, and on a medium flame we will cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, you can see the potatoes have cooked well, and at this time we will increase the flame and let the onions brown a bit. So you can see the onions have changed the color, and once the onions change the color, we will add the chili powder and turmeric powder. If you just like the flavor of green chilies, you can skip the chili powder and add an additional green chili according to taste. Fry it well. We're going to fry this just for a few seconds till it is well mixed. Meanwhile, the poha has softened nicely and absorbed the water. So we are going to add this poha to the onion and potato mixture, and we're going to fry it just for a few seconds till all of this mixture is well incorporated. Once all of this is mixed together, we'll add quarter cup of water and cook it on a low flame with a lid on. The water helps to create steam and the poha to cook thoroughly. After this, we will add some salt to taste. We have already added a little bit of salt while cooking the potatoes, and then sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. About a teaspoon and half will suffice. Mix all of this well and cook with the lid on for 5 minutes. Poha cooks really fast, so after 5 minutes I have just added juice from half a lemon, so all the flavors get balanced beautifully, the salt, the sugar, the lime, and add some coriander, and we are going to just mix this and cook it for a minute, and our delicious poha is ready. So here is aloo poha, a very easy and nutritious breakfast or a tea time snack. You can enjoy it with a hot cup of masala chai. We have already uploaded the recipe of masala chai, which you can check in the description box. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe.